Hello, I'm Lisa, and I will be guiding you through this course on how to start a home bakery that ships. This is a happy business. Customers will be excited they found your website, won't believe your menu, and celebrating holidays or special occasions. I'm excited to share this opportunity with you because I have a wealth of information to share and some stories to tell. I founded the first online-only bakery in 2006. No storefront, no expensive equipment, just a killer recipe and an internet connection. Everything that I learned about the science of baking, packaging, and shipping baked goods, I learned through trial and error, which means my methods are tried and true. After 13 years of building my online bakery and shipping my Southern cakes and desserts nationwide, I'm laying down my spatula, but I'm very excited about the next chapter in my life because it includes you, working with entrepreneurs and professional bakers as you are, to genuinely help you succeed in this business. Throughout this course, I will explain every suggestion that I have for you. I will give you advantages and disadvantages, best practices, and why I did or didn't make certain decisions. However, as the entrepreneur, this is your vision. So I expect you to use this information that I'm giving you to make the best decision for the business that you envision. Let's get started on your home bakery that ships.